to track your Ink mobile SIM card shipments. First, visit the official Ink mobile website. At the top of the page, click Support. Once you're on the Support page, select Tracking Shipment to go to the Tracking page. On the Tracking page, enter your order number and the email address you used when placing the order for verification. After filling in the information, click Submit. If the verification is successful, you'll see your shipping carrier and tracking number displayed on the page. For orders shipped to China, the default carrier is Shunfeng Express. For orders shipped to the United States, the default carrier is USPS, the United States Postal Service. Shipment status tips. If the status shows shipped or in transit, your package is on the way. Please allow some time for shipment. If the status shows label created or awaiting item, this is completely normal. Tracking updates usually appear once the package reaches the destination state or city. If your tracking information wasn't updated for a long time, or if your package hasn't arrived beyond the expected shipment time, please contact our customer support team for assistance. That's all for tracking your Ink mobile SIM card shipment. For more Ink mobile tutorials and guides, please visit our official homepage.